Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of building a house in Ghana. If it's your first time here on the channel, my name is elgigogh and today we are at Mr Kwetey's site. So we casted this staircase around last year December, and we are here today to take out the wood. So if you like what you see at the end of the video, you like the shape of the staircase, we have so many designs for you. We also have a lot on the channel that we've constructed for subscribers and also some of our clients. So if you like what you see and you're interested, you can get in touch with me by email and I'll forward you to the contractor so that you deal with him directly. As you can see, this is how it looks on top. You can see concrete work really done here, massive, no vibration, it's very solid, and the size also is very good. So we also casted this concrete for him, which he wants to use it. The downstairs, he wants to use it as a hardware to store his building materials, some cement, plumbing works and that kind of stuff. And then we want to use the upstairs for a shop or a supermarket or something like that. So that will also come later in the video, but today's focus is about the staircase and some of the block works that he is doing and the kind of materials he's selling at the moment. So stay tuned, and if you haven't liked the video yet, kindly please do so. Subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of updates coming on all our projects and what we are doing. We are also building ourselves as a team. And are you ready for today's episode?
Yeah, o staircase ene work bena bia na le work body affair. So now you can see the rare shape of it. So this is how it is.
So there is the outcome, the end result of the staircase, the concrete casting. This is a spiral one which is coming up there. We also have another one continuing to the next floor. So as you can see, this is even for outdoors, this is outside, so you know how strong it is. And if you want also for the indoors, we can also give you one, build one for you. So get in touch with us if you are interested for all kinds of designs and all kinds of shape. As you can see, this is very strong. It has no vibration. If someone is walking on top of it, you don't hear the person if you are downstairs. So get in touch if you are interested.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside.
Shino, no quick. No sound.
No sound, no vibration. Solid.
So far, so good, Mr Kwetey Block Factory is now selling blocks. Where's your Mama? That's a bye. Mr Kwetey Block Factory, so far, so good. And I use cement because we have gotten into the new year and we are starting job this year. This is a fresh cement. The prices has a little bit dropped down. Yeah, so you can contact Mr Kwetey. Now a bag is just 94 cedis per bag. This Jata cement. The prices has come down a bit because the fuel prices has also come down a bit. We are moving downwards. So you can contact Mr Kwetey for any large quantity of cement. This is the block factory. The design blocks are there. And this is the shop. The truck is parked. We are offloading the cement into Mr Kwetey's block factory. We urge everyone to start calling Mr. Kwetey for cement and blocks on 0246 24 69 38. These are the cement. Very strong and powerful Jata cement. Jata cement. Don't man. This is Jata cement. This is the Jata cement. Very soon we'll go for CMAF, the 32.5R. This is 42.5R. Very strong and powerful. Very, very strong. Very strong. That is the same cement I use for my block production. Because you know Mr. Kwetey's block, the block no air quality, air doing ye pa Jata cement here and I use man. I know what the year Juma. It brings out the quality of the job that you have done. It's in a monfre na yen supply. Open supply be a fry the beba. Even if you want the full trailer, Jata cement full trailer fry the beba. That I want to see. We Mr. Kwetey block factory. Yes, cement. This time cement now be green because you rough. It's cement. My others also possible. You could do price about from Kakra. Price is now about from Kakra. As usual, I'm going to know friend for sale. Yeah, welcome back to the channel. And Mr. Kwetey Block Factory. We are now combining Kenya for design blocks. Keha, floor. And the design blocks we know the chama floor now. Yeah, we will see now. I'm finishing it. To me, I use it instead of task. Instead of task, we need to use money. Okay. Until they say I'll be able to be a load the aqua command. Two way will fear. Come up by effect. Instead of task, we use now. We are blessing fun. When soon a case. To let me, I use for gardening. The drawing yet me area drawing no mount. Am I yet me only my layer? Only layer, I bet you are there. Oh, layer and so are fine. We are too few now, but I won't say FFI. It may be colors with any city. Imagine the color combination. When you are more black, you are more green. And some color we are some one in lemon. The color be a full cell baby and you bet me they are mixing. Now, yeah, now I compound new especially those that want a garden. If you know why it's a garden, you know that kind of style. To me, man, if you are a camera, it's me now. Or if you were park or castle, so any she is your two and 1 hour or so. Now it's me a gardens, no pavement, yes, supply. We did my way. It's me all the garden was a black soil now here. I best supply them. That's why I'm a manure for wild gardens. Yeah. And to see, I know someone, Mr. Kwetey from Block Factory about cement. Yes, I design blocks, and I to me designing with feeling now small supply of black soil. A bema of flowers, no garden, I come. This so far, no. Maybe I be dreamy.
So this is how far the production group is going. Mr. Kwetey's block factory is growing very fast thanks to you guys, and we are not also just relaxed. We also try to bring new things to the market to serve you, to make your house beautiful. So this is what he's into now, into design blocks as well for your house. We know that greenery is very important, so with a combination of these bricks which you can use for your garden, to fence your garden, and then the design floors which you can see how it looks now. Someone is using it and this is how it looks. Just want to show you guys. So if you like them, you are interested, you can always combine it with your greenery on your compound. Your walking path is very necessary that you use these blocks to walk easily, so that when during the rainy season you have a place to walk. It's not that you have all green and then it's wet. If you need blocks as well, you can get in touch with us. We also sell water for your building, so if you're around Pram Dowenya, Chopoli, you can get in touch with us. And that's Mr. Kwetey's number on the screen, so you can also get in touch with him directly, for all kinds of building materials, from water to iron rods or anything. So I'm going to end the video here for today. I have a lot of updates coming, so subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time spent on the channel, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's do it.